What is up, you dirty little hoggers? It is a beautiful, let's see if I can't get it, beautiful sunrise here in Homosassa this morning. And we are out going for some grouper, out of season, so I don't think we're going to spend too much time on that. We're actually going to go for hogfish mainly. So stick with us. Shrimp were a little tough to find this morning, but we finally got some. Sun's just about to rise, so we're a little late, but yeah. Stick with us. Hopefully the fishing's good. It's supposed to be calm as can be, so that's why I took off work today. You know, you gotta take advantage of these days. So stick with us and let's get a cooler full of hogs. Starting off with some trolling this morning in about 20-ish feet of water. Let's see what's down there. Oh, yep. That double rubble, baby. Cobia. Maybe that's what mine was. Mine's staying down like a grouper, though. It's a short, but... What are you?
It's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice one.
It's alright.
He said it's a short.
It is a short.
Oh, it is now.
That's a short. Oh, how is he bleeding so much? Ooh. Sorry, Bubba. There's my short.
Yeah, you're right. He was just short. Maybe you just do it in the water. And they relax more in the water. There you go, psycho.
Psychopath.
Check that leader.
We're good. Well, that's a dub. We have made it to Clyde. Time to troll before we set up and hopefully catch some hoggies. We've done a little trolling already, but our last hurrah until we catch the hogs. Okay.
It's a sucker right there. It's a hog.
It's a mangrove.
That's one.
It's a big mango. That looks like a 14-incher.
No, it has to be 12.
Oh yeah. So that's a keeper.
I think so.
Nice, dude.
So maybe they aren't hogfish.
Maybe they're just mangoes.
Got him?
Yep. Oh yeah. He is 13. 12 3/4. It's a good one. He's fat.
Yeah, he is.
Very fat. There's our first keeper of the day. Not the right species, but
They taste good too.
they do taste pretty damn good.
Yeah?
Something good. Oh God. Another mango, big mango. Gone. Oh yeah, it's a stud mango here.
Damn it, do I have to set this?
Probably. Something though. Yeah, that's
Is this really the hook we're using?
14. I got you beat.
That's a good one, man.
It is.
Are we really using this hook?
I mean, we can change it.
I mean, yeah.
What do we want to change it to?
I mean, I want a hook fish.
I never really showed you off. Sorry, bud. There's my... That's a good one. Hi, Bubba.
I don't even know if you can see him well.
That's cool.
Put it underwater.
can't believe we actually hooked the mangoes this time. Slippery dick! The slippery dick. Such a pretty fish. Yes, that is the actual name of it. Believe it or not.
Oh,
There he is. So pretty.
got him.
Yep. That's looking like a hogfish fight. Or a grouper maybe.
He's in there.
Damn. Oh, you got him out.
Of course I did.
Be a hog.
Great.
Negative. That is a gag.
Like,
Oh, red.
Wait, that might be.
No, he looks short. Probably 16. Ah, 19 and a half.
Oh my gosh.
You got something big in his tummy.
There.
Cool.
Ooh, that is like rocks.
Probably
I feel
lobster.
this, for real. No, that's rocks. He's eating rocks.
Ooh,
He's eating rocks.
hard.
You dumbass, eat a fish.
Hi.
Don't come any closer. I like to harass you. Oh my gosh.
Oh God, what is that?
I see it down there.
Is it a cobia?
Dude, it might. Dude, that's a big.
That's a ginormous mangrove.
The trigger.
Oh, it is a trigger. That might keep if they're in season.
Oh, yeah. That's what. Jesus.
That is a stud, dude. Little
Oh
bit,
my remora.
little sucker on her too.
How you know it's a big trick? That's gotta be freaking.
It's gotta be a keeper, right?
I don't know if it's open.
I think it just opened.
You have to look. I mean, we're eating that.
My phone's back there.
Well, how big is it first? It's gotta be.
If it has to be 14, it's a keeper. If it's 16, it's not.
No, it's like 14 or
15?
12 to the floor.
It's 15 and a half.
I mean, that's
a monster,
I
dude.
mean, that has to be. If you can't keep that, that's stupid.
15
To the fork,
to the fork.
and it's
It's
16.
15 and a half. We're good.
And it's open.
And it's open. Yeah, baby.
Wow, dude, you're in for a treat.
Let's go. Can only keep one, but
What? One per person?
one bag limit, yeah.
Per vessel?
I think per person probably.
He said, I just keep them all.
Yeah, one per harvester per day.
No way.
That's epic. My first ever keeper trigger.
Let's get one more of those. There's a couple more.
I mean, that is a beauty. Dude, yeah.
Yeah, that's epic. Come on, come on.
That's a trigger.
Easy, easy.
Hogfish.
Are you serious?
Yep.
No way. Oh, dude, nice one. Oh my gosh, landed.
I can't use these hooks. Bent me out. I'm not using these hooks anymore.
Oh my god.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Oh my, come on. What is that? That is
It's a giant mango.
giant, dude.
Or is that a hog?
It's a hog.
It's a hog.
Oh my gosh, dude. I need to land this one.
I got him on the under. That's a stud. Look at the mouth on that.
I'll get it, I'll get it.
Oh, come on. Oh, he's hooked. He's barely hooked. Get it. Yes! Throw him in here. I got him.
Oh.
What a snouter, dude. Oh, yeah. That's what we came for. Thank you. Finally. I guess chum works for hogfish too.
Yeah, that's gonna be maybe a new.
He's a keeper all day, right? You want to hand the measuring tape just in case?
I mean, what are we talking about?
Oh, yeah, but I want to see still.
What are we? That ain't a keeper. They don't keep.
Yeah, 16 and a half. Wow, that's a good one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Barotrauma to the max.
Yeah, he's got it.
Here's the big guy.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Look at the mangoes. They're eating. The mango just ate a chunk of the chunk head of the.
That's what I'm telling you, the chunks, yeah.
How though? Why won't they eat anything else?
Alright, well let me try a chunk then. Throw
Yeah.
this back in there. I'll get him and he's dead. So get,
I'm gonna chum some of it.
yeah,
Get him
chum.
fired up.
Yep. Yeah, rip it and then give me a nice block of it. And I'm gonna drop it down.
This is what Bradford and them do for the reds. They chum chunk bait and then drop one of those in there. That's, yep, then just float it like that.
Wow.
There he's coming.
That's gonna get me.
Just ate it. Yeah! It worked!
How we do?
Good, we figured him out.
That's a big one.
That's a good one, that's for sure.
Well, that was fun.
That was easy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is a giant. That's a 14 all day.
Holy shit.
Dude,
And that was not the biggest one.
that is a monster.
Do that again. Oh my god.
Well, I think we got it.
We figured that out. Wow. There's some studs. Oh my god.
Dude, look at that one. Holy smokes.
Oh my god.
Dude, that is a
How big is that
monster.
thing?
Might be your biggest ever. 14 and a half.
There's bigger.
I saw a 16 down there.
Look at them. Is there any bigger ones?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Nice.
I don't know what the hell it is. It's got big head shakes. I don't think it's a Spanish.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, it is a Spanish.
This can be the last one we'll see.
Okay.
These are studs.
Yeah.
Like really nice. Nice not to avoid trolling with it.
Got him in the eye.
Seriously? That's a nice
What a giant.
Oh boy. Watch.